Hey everyone, check out this 100 set button maker supplies kit, perfect for creating 2.95-inch badges. Each set includes metal covers, metal back pin covers, and clear films designed to fit most 75mm button maker machines. Made from high-quality metal, these parts are stronger and more durable than plastic alternatives. The clear film adds a shiny finish that enhances the button's texture and appearance. You can easily customize buttons with your favorite pictures for gifts, parties, or even selling at markets. Simply cut your image to size, layer it with the metal cover and film, press in the machine, and attach the back pin. This kit is great for DIY enthusiasts wanting to create professional-looking badges quickly and easily. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.